Top executives at Deutsche Bank were concerned after Donald Trump won the U.S. election in 2016. Bloomberg has learned that the German lender was afraid that Trump might default on about $340 million of loans while serving as president. While executives discussed extending repayment dates until after the end of his potential second term. Eric Trump, the president's son and an executive vice president of the Trump Organization, responded in an email, quote, "This story is complete nonsense." Well, joining us now is Steve Arons. He covers German banks for Bloomberg News and helped write this story. So, Stephen, first of all, why didn't Deutsche Bank actually extend the maturities?
Well, we don't exactly know, but put yourself in the situation. It's a difficult decision to make. They would have asked the Trump Organization, of course, to agree. Any changes to the maturities, any changes to the loan conditions need to go on the record. They need to be filed with the regulators in the U.S. So it would have created probably headlines. It would have been a difficult thing to pull off. So they, I think, put off the decision and said we're going to go for an easier way and just put the business relationship on hold as much as we can and not take the very complicated step of extending the maturities.
So, Steve, how is Deutsche Bank now actually dealing with this Trump exposure?
Well, I think the situation, if you imagine the situation in late 2016, after Trump had been elected U.S. president, the executives at Deutsche Bank, which had served as a very important lender to Donald Trump for a very long time while he was still a real estate tycoon, it was a very complicated situation for the bank. They were all of a sudden facing the perspective of having to ask back money from a sitting president, and if he had not been able to pay that back, that would have looked extremely bad. So they were scrambling. And they decided to actually try to put the business relationship on hold as much as they can. Since then, of course, there's been a lot of scrutiny of that business relationship. We know about the Democrats who recently took the House of Representatives are now actually intensifying that scrutiny. So the business relationship is something that Deutsche Bank would like to keep out of the headlines as much as they can. But people, as politicians in the U.S., are trying to shed light on it, and it's going to happen. I think it's going to continue to happen as we go along.
Yeah, so what are you expecting, Steve, for 2019? No massive changes?
I'm not entirely sure. The Democrats, as I said, they're trying to leverage their new power in the House to find out what exactly has been going on between the bank and Donald Trump before he was president. They're trying to get documents. To our knowledge, they've started receiving those, at least some of the documents, and they're going to try to use them, I think, to find out what has been going on. I do expect more details to come to light as this happens, but we'll have to see just how much it can actually take place.